All right, hustlers, listen up. You've probably heard about freelancing, and maybe you've thought, could I really make money working from my couch in pajamas? Well, spoiler alert, you totally can, and one of the best places to do it, Upwork. In this video, I'm breaking down how to start earning big bucks on Upwork, even if you're starting from zero experience. But before we dive in, hit that subscribe button. If you don't, you might miss out on other epic ways to make money smartly. And trust me, FOMO on money tips is real. What is Upwork? Think of Upwork as the online marketplace where businesses and freelancers come together. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, programmer, or even a voice actor, there's a gig waiting for you. In 2023 alone, freelancers on Upwork earned over $3 billion. Yes, billion with a B. Step 1. Create a killer profile. Your profile is your digital resume. This is where you showcase your skills, experience, and personality. Start with a professional photo. No, not that one from your friend's wedding. Something clean, approachable, and confident. Next, craft an engaging headline like expert graphic designer with a creative edge, or SEO wizard who drives traffic like magic. Then, in your bio, sell yourself. Highlight your skills, explain how you can help clients, and toss in a little personality. Remember, people hire people, not robots. Step 2. Pick your niche. Upwork has gigs for almost everything. Love writing? Try content creation or copywriting. A tech genius? Look for web development projects. The more specific you are, the easier it is to stand out. For example, instead of saying I'm a graphic designer, say, I specialize in designing minimalist logos for tech startups. It's like walking into an ice cream shop. You're more likely to grab attention with a unique flavor than plain vanilla. Step 3. Start small. Aim big. When you're new, start with smaller projects to build your reputation. Yes, your first gig might be creating a blog post for $30 or designing a logo for $50. But as you rack up 5-star reviews, you can start charging premium rates. Think of it as investing in your freelancing future. You're building your portfolio and proving to clients that you're the real deal. Step 4. Master the art of proposals. The proposal is where the magic happens. Don't just copy-paste the same generic message for every job. Tailor your pitch to each client's needs. Start by addressing their problem directly. I see you need an engaging blog post to drive traffic. I've written over 100 articles that have boosted traffic by 20% for clients just like you. Keep it short, show your enthusiasm, and let them know why you are the best choice. Bonus points if you add a question at the end like, what tone are you aiming for in your blog? It shows you're already thinking about their goals. Step 5. Communicate like a pro. Once you land a gig, keep your communication game strong. Respond promptly. Ask questions to clarify the project, and deliver on time. Upwork clients love reliability. It's basically a cheat code for repeat work. Step 6. Upsell and scale. Got a happy client? Perfect. Suggest additional services they might need. For example, if you wrote their blog post, offer to manage their content calendar. Happy clients equals more money plus glowing reviews. Over time, you can scale your freelance business by increasing your rates, or even outsourcing parts of your work to a team. Step 7. Stay consistent and patient. Here's the real talk. Freelancing on Upwork takes time. Don't get discouraged if you don't land a gig right away. Keep applying, refining your profile, and learning. Consistency is your best friend. And remember, every big-time freelancer started exactly where you are right now. And that's how you make money on Upwork. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or aiming to replace your 9-to-5, Upwork can be your ticket to freedom. So, what are you waiting for? Create that killer profile, start applying, and watch the money roll in. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to earn smarter, not harder. Let's make those freelancing dreams a reality. See you in the next video.